In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can set a static IP on Windows 11. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So to do that, just click on the search bar near the start, then search for view network connections. After that, click on open. Now this will open up the control panel to the network connections. Quickly, just go ahead and adjust it. After that, I'll just click on Wi-Fi. Right click, then click on properties. Now as you click on properties, you then scroll on over here and choose config. Now as you choose config, guys, you can come to the advanced section over here, then click on this first one, which is 802.11, the big wireless mode. Then make sure it is set to the dual band 802. You can see, guys, mine is set there and I won't change it. So after making sure it's set there, you can then go ahead and tap on OK, then close. After that, you'll have fixed that problem. Thanks for watching, guys. You shall meet once again.